The old guys didn't hike this week, so I thought I'd go back and give you a few highlights from our previous hikes. This was in Sedona in the fall, where we enjoyed the fall colors. And while we generally don't like winter hikes, we did decide to take a quick trip up to Payson, where we saw and hiked in a little bit of snow. Fortunately, spring comes early in the desert, and we did enjoy a beautiful season of fall flowers. Spring flowers, I guess that would be. And Picacho Peak, and then the Superstition Mountains, just spectacular. But enjoy the highlights of some of our previous hikes.
Now you see him, now you don't.
Now you see me? Holy crap! Get further over.
This is Old Man Kelly.
Here I go. See you later.